Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error dump file creation failed due to error during dump creation on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to create some disk space. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK, and then you can check all of these boxes here. And then you can click on OK and then click on delete files. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to update drivers in Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and then select advanced options and optional updates. Install all the drivers available here. Return to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates. And lastly, we can counter the possibility of third-party software influence by performing a clean boot on the system. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.